So it is Connor's 10th birthday. He has already woke up. Does he know something? He said that you set this up. So let's go wake up Colin. Don't. Oh, I thought you were going to turn the light on. Morning, Colin. You want to go downstairs and watch a show? You want to take one of your blankies down? Connor, what is this string on the floor?
I don't know. What's this?
Can you read it?
What is all that strings on the floor, Kyle?
I didn't do it.
Huh?
I didn't do it.
Okay, wait right here. What is that? Connor's gonna find out. Look, follow Connor. Open up the card. Wait, stop. Open it up. They're clues.
Happy.
Okay, come on. What's it say, Con?
Birthday. Happy birthday.
Come on down, guys.
Connor.
Follow Connor, Colin.
Oh, shit.
Go in the dining room.
No. Mom, N-O. No.
That's right.
No, school.
Go. Come on.
Happy birthday, Connor. No school today.
No school today.
What?
That's cool.
That's cool.
Already moved.
You were mad because Cruz got to get off of school for his birthday.
I'm gonna see how much.
No, Kyle. No. Kyle, you gotta stay in here.
Already moved.
You gotta follow the line.
Gotta follow the line. Jeez Louise.
Because
No school today because we
are
dog.
Where? Nowhere.
Where are we going? Help Colin now because he hasn't realized.
Where are we going?
Disney World? Today?
Colin,
No!
Colin, we're going to Disney Junior today.
No! I want to see Pluto.
Huh?
Because I like him.
Yep.
My
Mommy.
favorite dog is
We're
Mickey
going.
Mouse. No.
Yep. We're going for 10 days. And you're missing 10 days of school. And your teachers have been in on it and everything. I've already talked to your teachers and everything.
Mine.
Yep. If your bag has your name on it. This is the best birthday ever.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Open it up. That's stuff for you to do on the airplane. And the best part, Connor,
It's not
you
the
can tell him your
plane.
surprise. You
Gummy.
want to tell him your surprise? Or
Gummy.
you want to wait?
No.
Gummy.
Yeah?
Gummy.
That's why Graham's here. Is that cool?
I'm scared to get on the plane.
It's alright.
You're gonna be fine.
Are you happy? Colin, are you happy? Disney Junior, we got a house with a pool.